G'day YouTube. Anyway, we have 4 liquids we are going to try as a glue for gluing styrene. Okay, one is Lacquer Thinner, one is MEK, one is Acetone, and one is mineral turpentine. On the outset, looking at it, I don't know about mineral turpentine. I think it's just a wild guess that I've just put in the bunch. Okay, my thoughts are that acetone will eat away the plastic. Well, it will melt the plastic and eat it away, so that would be a good one. The MEK would also be a good one. I don't know about the Lacquer Thinner, but I have read that that's possibly in contention as well. Anyway, we're going to give it a go. Okay, the first glue we're going to try is the mineral turpentine. This is just a general brand turpentine. Once again, I'll be using a new brush for each liquid. Just dipping the brush in now. Paint some on. Put it down and we'll put the clamp on. Sometimes what you can feel with the glues, especially when you're using like a liquid glue, is that you can feel a slight, it's not meant to happen, a slight melt or a slight join of the glues, of the plastic I should say. But that's not melting at all, so that's a fail at this stage. I'll try it again. Heaps was put down, put over the top. What we'll do is we'll clamp that and we'll come back to that later. Clamp on, put out the back. Cap on the bottle so I don't spill it and go everywhere. Alright. Okay, next one. Which one should we pick? We'll go the MEK. Okay, I have used this before. Okay, if you, actually I don't think you remember, but when I was turning some stuff on the lathe, I'd put this on one of those parts and it stuck while I was turning, so I know this will work. See, basically here it's gone black. This is from the paintbrush dipping in. Alright, do this outside. Okay, we just put some glue down. And we press down. Put a clamp on it. Put 2 clamps on actually. And we'll put that out the back to glue. Dry, I should say. Alright. Next one we're going to try is the Lacquer Thinner. Remember, new brush. just leaving the acetone to last because of the container it's in. Alright. Brush down, dip it in, paint it on our surface, and the glue. Alright, out of camera. Clamps on. Some of these glues are really fast drying. I know with the MEK in the past it was really fast drying and I had to apply it to both sides, then join it. Let's have a quick squizzy. That is that is joined, but we'll have to let it go for a bit. Okay, acetone now. Got to dig my acetone out of my my bin. Which one? That was the Lacquer Thinner. Alright. Acetone, putting it on. Maybe we should do both ends. Both sides. Clamp on. Now we need to do is just wait. You say, how long should we wait? I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Alright, that's long enough. Alright. Mineral turpentine. I don't think this is going to be a good glue at all. Oh, look at that. Has sort of stuck. Really, depending on what we really want to do, depending on what sort of how to say, depending on the type of hold that we want, this could be a goer actually. Mineral turpentine. Oh, that's quite cheap actually. Who would have known? It hasn't glued it all the way. Then again, that just might be my clamping or whatever. Could put some more in there and we could... interesting. Mineral turpentine. Wait, hang on. Mineral turpentine. Alright. Next one we did was the MEK. Take that off. Okay, that's a strong bond. All thumbs up with that one. Alright, next in line is the Lacquer Thinner. Alright, that one's come apart. Like I said, depending on what sort of, maybe if you prepare the surface better, give that another go. I'll just give that a file. Okay. Would have thought that would have been a bit better than what it was. Right. Try the Lacquer Thinner again. I'm putting it on and it feels like the glue's taking, so right. Maybe it's just my dodgy glue. Don't know. Alright, Lacquer Thinner drying again. Okay, acetone. Will it work? Should work. Why didn't that work? It didn't even make a mark on the plastic, not at the least. Alright. We'll try it again like we tried the Lacquer Thinner. Fair's fair with all. Alright. Give it a good coat. Maybe it just evaporates too fast. Maybe the thing is it does work, but just evaporates too fast. Just so you're aware, the acetone I'm taking comes out of our little plastic melt. This is styrene in here from a Sony TV. Just take a bit of acetone out and we use that to glue on our part. Put you back. Okay, this is the MEK one. What I'm showing you now is, if you have a look, let me get the, okay, here, what you see here is the brush strokes, of the glue. So it does melt the plastic. So we do have a good bond. Alright, if we have a look at the lacquer thinner, this is lacquer thinner. Okay, we do get the same brush strokes, but not as active, I should say. Right. Just taking the clamp off that. The lacquer thinner one. That's not too bad, that's pretty good. Pretty good now. Okay. That just took just a bit more surface preparation than I thought. That's good as well. Right, acetone. Did you see that? It's just no good. That's surprising. Is it because it doesn't like this this styrene? This styrene is HDPE, high impact styrene. It's not the same as the as this sort of styrene. Pretty close. That's a fail. Jeez, I wouldn't have thought that. Alright. Okay, maybe we have to try styrene. Sorry, maybe we need to try acetone straight on the sprue. But what we need to do is test some more of this mineral turpentine. See how the see if it will actually come apart. Alright. What we do, maybe I should prepare the surface first, though. Ooh. Alright, let's try. put the clamp on and wait. We'll try and fix this other bit. Okay, back on the mineral turpentine again. See how it's glued. Well, some of it's glued, some of it's not. It's not a high bonding strength glue. But whether we give it time enough to bond, yes, maybe we need to give it longer to bond, possibly. It's almost like a low impact like glue. I'll have to do another video and let it sit for probably a whole day. Put enough glue on it and let it sit and see how that goes. It could be an alternative. See, that's stuck. Maybe it's the thing is we need to get a bit more glue on it, but then again you don't want to put too much glue on it. Okay. Conclusions out of our experiment. The two glues that we can settle on are the Lacquer Thinner and the MEK. Okay, the MEK is, if you read the contents here, methyl phenyl ketone. This is a priming fluid. So basically it's a clear. It allows you to prime your PVC pipes before you actually glue them together with the blue glue. Yeah, anyway, so this is pretty good. This is probably like $5 or $10. Then again, this one here is like about $8 for that much. And this is like really liquidy. So that's the only problem with this sort of glue, is that it's really liquidy. Sometimes you need a liquid glue, other times you need a bit of a slow glue. Anyway, I would pick the MEK or the Lacquer Thinner. Just don't have a lot of experience with the Lacquer Thinner, but that looks not too bad. I have had experience with the MEK. It has stuck when we've been turning on the lathe. Hasn't necessarily popped off with the force that I've generated. So that's quite good. That's quite good too. So Okay, you decide. Which one's cheaper? The Lacquer Thinner, priming fluid, or we do a bit more research in our mineral turpentine, which this is like $2 for the whole bottle, $2 or $3. But if we want to bond to it, if we want it to actually bond and stick, then maybe we need to go with one of these two. But that did stick. Not saying it didn't stick. A little bit more surface preparation. We'll have to investigate this one a little bit more. The mineral turpentine. Mineral turpentine. Alright. See ya. Bye.